titled "The Continued Refusal of the Governor of Bayelsa State, Senator Diri, to conduct local government election against the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria." Good morning, ladies and gentlemen of the press. Labour Party National Working Committee is no longer comfortable with the outright and deliberate refusal of the Bayelsa State Governor, Senator Diri, to conduct local government election in the state. The governor cannot deny the importance and significance of the grassroots to the development of the state, as local government areas were created to help establish, nurture, sustain democracy and democratic political culture, because giving them power to function effectively stabilizes and strengthens the political system, since they are closer to the people. Furthermore, the importance of local government in ensuring democratic representation for the people at the grassroots level cannot be overemphasized, and the people of Bayelsa State, particularly those at the grassroots, deserve elected officials who can effectively advocate for their need and drive development initiative. We are concerned that the funds intended for the local government in Bayelsa State are being withheld by the state government instead of being allocated to democratically elected local government officials. And we view the development as a deliberate neglect of the local government area, contradicting the governor's claim of pursuing a prosperous administration. Furthermore, Labour the utilization of the civil servant to administer local government affairs, and we describe it as an unconventional, unconstitutional, and local government election may be driven by the governor's political agenda, contrary to his earlier statement of prioritizing the people development over political maneuver. Labour Party attention has also been drawn to the frustrated action employed by the People Democratic Party and the governor of Bayelsa State to slow the progress of the ongoing case in Sagama High Court, Yenagoa, which was aimed at compelling the governor to conduct election. And we further express our party concern about the boasting of the governor, claiming that he has the potential to interfere with judicial process. Labour Party hereby urge the governor to respect the independence of the judiciary, which play a crucial role in his assumption of office. Labour Party therefore warned that if the Bayelsa State Independent Electoral Commission, BISEC, failed to issue a notice to commence the process of local government election before July ending 2023, Labour Party will resort to peaceful civil protests aimed at pressurizing the governor to do the needful. This civil action will not only be peaceful, but resolute in our pursuit of electoral justice and democratic representation for the people of Bayelsa State. A word is enough for the wise. Thank you.